I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we can be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us.
Hello, it's China and welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be doing a Valentine's Day transformation, so let's get started. And now it's time for the facial transformation. Now it's time to do our makeup. I have my mirror right here. So since it's Valentine's Day theme, let's go with like a velvety color. I'm not going to do a smoky eye because, I'm gonna be honest, I'm not that good with makeup anyway. So maybe like a soft glam. So before I get started, I'm going to prime my face with the Fenty Beauty primer. And we're just going to massage that all over the face. Since I have acne, I'm putting quite a lot. And I have a giant pimple right here. Let's call him George. So Mr. George and I have been friends for a couple of days now, and I'm starting to get tired of him, so he needs to go. I'm gonna put some on my eye, because I forgot to put some there. Okay, now that that's done, I'm going to take my beauty blender. Oh, I should have wet this before. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back with a damp sponge. So now I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty concealer, kind of put some concealer over the problems. Inside out, ease without. And now I'm just going to blend that out a little bit with the damp sponge. Okay, you can still kind of see George, but we're going to work around it. Okay, so now I'm going to take the Fenty Beauty foundation. My color is 345, and I'm going to apply some on my... I'm just going to apply. I haven't worn foundation in a long time, but we're going to make it work. Okay, now I'm going to go back in with my Fenty Beauty concealer to highlight, and I do that. I feel like makeup looks the best when you have clear skin. So that's really what I'm trying to achieve this year, to get clear skin. Even though I have like Swedes right next to me. Some people never learn. I think that's enough beating my face. It looks pretty good, honestly. My makeup never looks like this. What? I'm a real beauty guru. I am so sorry to all the real beauty gurus out there. Booty gurus out there. Okay, so for the eye look, I'm going to be using the Morphe palette. I picked this palette because it has like the best fallish colors. So I'm going to take this brush. I'm not an expert with brushes. I just use whatever I see is useful. So for the base, I'm going to be using this color. It's called Universal. And I'm just going to apply it to the lid. Then I'm going to apply some on the bottom of my eye as well, because I'm going to be putting color there too. And then we're going to apply some to the other side. Then I'm just going to go in with this color Chestnut and apply it to the outer corner of my eye, dabbing it at first and then just blending it out. And then I'm going to apply a little bit on the bottom as well. Next, I'm going in with my California Love ColourPop palette in the color Mission and applying that at the edge of my eye, blending it out a little bit and making it a little darker. Also applying it on the bottom as well. Going back in with the color Universal and applying that as a base on the upper lid. And then I'm going to go in with Fire and applying that all over just so it can show better. And then I'm going to go in with Ruby and apply that all over the lid just for like a pop of color. And then I'm going to apply that on the bottom as well.
A pity party, I've been invited to quit. If anybody is getting tired of this, I've been at the bottom, but he provided the strength.
Next, I'm going to be adding the color Cahuin. I don't know how to pronounce that word, but I'm going to be applying that on the lower lash line. Next, I'm going in with the color El Capitan, however you pronounce that word, and apply that all over my lid just to add a pop to the look. And I'm going to be applying that on the bottom line as well. Going back into the Morphe palette, I'm going to use the color Wiz, and I'm going to use this flat angled brush and kind of draw a wing. It's basically like an outline for the eyeliner because I need help. Now I'm going to take this Rimmel London eyeliner and basically trace what I drew because wings are hard to make. Now I'm going to put on some eyelashes, and what I mean by put on, I mean struggle, because I struggled putting these eyelashes on, let me tell you. The first one went on pretty well, but the second one, it was the second one that I struggled the most with. Next, I'm going to take my voluminous Carbon Black mascara and apply it to my lashes. Please ignore this angle. You can see all up in my nostrils, but we're just going to look past it. Nothing to see here. And the eye look is complete. Next, I'm going to go in with this foundation brush and use this foundation powder that is too dark for my skin, so I use it as a bronzer to define my features.
No say I know they too worry for myself. Oh. But see we know me before. No say na baba they provide with faith, but they control on me. She made you.
And I apply some on my forehead and on my jawline as well. Now I'm going to use this rosy blush palette and use a blush brush. I almost could not say that. And use the darkest color and just apply that all over my cheeks. I also added some on the bridge of my nose. Now I'm going to take another flat brush and use this lipstick and use it as a lip liner and line my lips with it. Now I'm going to apply this red lipstick and apply it all over my lips. I'm going to go back in with that purple lipstick and apply it to the outer corners of my lips and blend it out with the blending brush. I'm going to go back in with the ColourPop palette again and use that unpronounceable word and apply that color all over my lips. And here's the finished look. And to finish this look, I'm going to pop on my wig. If you just trust in God, yeah. Life he sees you. Yeah. As a life he sees you.
If you just trust in God, yeah, yeah.
I want you to show me how to get to know someone like you, someone like you. I want you to know me, 'cause I know then you'll see we could be true, we can be true. I want you to see what I see in us.
Put a wig on me and I don't know how to act. No one can tell me anything right now. You can't tell me anything right now. Are all the Instagram models quaking in their Gucci slippers? Because they better be. I am definitely taking pictures, it's decided. China who? I don't think so. This is Lulu22. Coming for all of your weaves. Don't look at my edges. Okay, let me stop. I've been recording for like an hour now. But if you like this video, please leave a thumbs up, subscribe to see more. Tell me what you think of my Valentine's Day transformation. Did I slay? Did I snatch your wig? Like a wise girl once said, and that's on period, boo. Okay, let me end this video right now. See you in the next video. Peace. For real? Like, is this really me right now? Oh my gosh. I'm shook.